And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:42 this morning. In addition to the rain, in addition to the chilly temperatures, it's also windy out there. So that combination just makes for a pretty nasty day, a true rainy day where you just want to stay inside. These are sustained winds right now, 20 miles per hour out at Port Isabel, 18 in McAllen. Notice pretty uniform across the valley. One exception, Rio Grande City, pretty light out there, but I think those winds will probably pick up a little bit too. And then you put the gusts on there, and this is what it occasionally, we're seeing wind speeds up to 29 miles per hour, 22 in Brownsville, 28 Raymondville, 30 in McAllen. And I think around the coast we could see some gusts up to 40 miles per hour, and that is why we have a wind advisory right along the coast in Cameron and Willacy counties. So this includes Port Mansfield, Laguna Vista, Port Isabel, South Padre Island. This is where we can see those wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. And these winds are out of the north. So if you're driving in the east-westbound direction, that's when you're really going to notice it. Even if you're driving on Interstate 2 today, you're really going to notice that wind. You're going to have to keep a firm grip on the steering wheel, particularly if you're driving over that bridge between Port Isabel and South Padre Island. Yeah, take it slow because it's going to be very strong winds. And really, through the morning and early afternoon. Now, after 3 o'clock, the winds are going to start to subside. Still breezy, though, even overnight, but very windy during the early part of the day. All right, here's the model at 7 a.m. And notice, doing a pretty good job showing that rain moving from west to east. And by the time we get to around 11 a.m., it's filled in. Lots of light to moderate rain. It's still going to be windy. So hold on to that umbrella if you've got it, because it's just kind of a mess of a day. And even into the late afternoon, still widespread light rain. It's probably going to be a slow homebound commute as well. As we get into the evening hours, there is some improvement. I think the rain starts to break up a little bit. It'll be scattered showers, so some folks catching a break. And then a really good break probably late tonight. This is at 1 a.m., just a few showers out there, but it starts to fill back in. We have scattered showers once again tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. We get into the afternoon on Saturday, 4 o'clock, isolated showers still. And even some few showers Saturday evening. I don't think it's till about 10 o'clock or so that we'll be completely dry. And so we're going to see all clouds today, all clouds tomorrow. We may see a little bit of the sun on Sunday, but that's going to be it. And so because of all that thick cloud cover and the rain, our temperatures, they're going to stay chilly. In fact, today, temperatures are going to drop a little bit. 50 degrees at 8 a.m., down to 49 at noon, and down to 48 at 5 o'clock. Now, I think when the rain's going to be most widespread is from late morning to early afternoon. That's why we're calling it for that moderate rain. In between, though, there's a very good chance you're still going to be driving through light rain out there. It doesn't really start to break up until we get into the evening hours. So that high is early today. And then temperatures drop into the upper 40s this afternoon, 51 degrees, and that moderate to light rain and windy conditions, gusts to 35, maybe up to 40 miles per hour out by the coast. The winds die down some tonight, but it stays kind of breezy. Scattered showers early, but isolated showers late. So as we get later into the night, the rain chance drops, and we don't cool down that much. We get to 48 early this evening, and we just stay there during the overnight hours. But we're also not going to be warming up much tomorrow. Only a high of 54. Another chilly day, not quite as wet. It's going to be off and on showers through the day, but still a lot of clouds. And quite a bit of clouds on Sunday, too. I think we see a little bit of sun Sunday afternoon. That gets us up into the upper 60s. Then we get to 80 degrees on Monday, even though there's still going to be a lot of clouds and some isolated showers, a breezy day. A little cold front comes in here and cools us down to 78 on Tuesday. The rain ends in the morning. It looks like we're finally going to have some good sunshine, partly cloudy skies on Wednesday, and we're completely dry. And we're dry most of the day Thursday as well, but another cold front's going to come in here. It looks like Thursday night. And then next Friday, it looks like, once again, another wet day, cloudy, with temperatures falling back into the 60s.